Long ago, the gods foresaw that the fury of mortal combat would lead to the destruction of the realms. Every warrior has been summoned to face this final challenge. Their survival will depend on their ability to fight. Armageddon will pit every warrior against each other to determine the greatest champion. This epic battle will not be confined to the ground, and vast numbers of new warriors will be created to fight in this last great contest. The final tournament begins now. Mortal Kombat Armageddon, coming fall 2006. This title not yet rated.